Afternoon, everyone. Just wanted to provide a quick update on the Hidden Harbor construction. A couple changes since our last update. And before I dive in, please forgive the accidental finger covering the lens. Wasn't using the normal phone for this quick shoot, and it was hot and bright out. Didn't notice till done. You may see this pop up from time to time. Now, for those not following the progress, Hidden Harbor Estates is a new construction community that will have 9 custom luxury homes and 25 luxury townhomes. Of the 9 homes, 2 spec homes are being built by Lifestyle: the St. Vincent and the Grand Cayman. The other 7 lots are now up for sale. Everything is linked below. The dock provides access to the scenic Eau Gallie River with kayak launch and is a relatively quick paddle to nearby landmarks, including Frigate's Waterfront Bar and Grill. 6 optional private boat slips are available to homeowners. The St. Vincent. Framing, roofing, and shingles are all complete with windows and sliders installed, and electrical walkthrough is completed. Almost 2,400 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, his and her walk-in closets, and an optional private pool. This beautiful home offers stunning views of the Eau Gallie Sanctuary, and as of now, it's the closest property to the dock access. The Grand Cayman, the 2nd floor bonus room is finished and the roof is up, and shingles started today. The Grand Cayman boasts over 2,800 square feet, 4 bedrooms, and 3 baths, plus a study den. And again, a stunning view of the Eau Gallie Sanctuary. The upstairs bedroom with balcony also has a stunning view. The first 6 of 25 townhomes by Militano are nearing the finish line. Stucco is complete, and soffit and trim will be completed today. I'm actually really impressed with the stucco work through breezeways and even the garage. It's really well done. Cabinets are going in, and quartz countertop to follow. More of the stucco work in the garage. You don't see that on an average construction. Usually just bare painted concrete block, not on these townhomes. It looks really good. The townhomes have 4 elevations ranging from 2,056 to 2,096 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, concrete block, both floors extending to the roof for extra privacy and strength, 10-foot high ceilings throughout, and optional elevator package. And as a bonus, these light posts were installed Friday last week, kind of London-esque, 19th century looking. I dig them. There's 4 of them, 1 at each entrance and 2 throughout the community. Thanks for watching. I'm Darren Bureau, Ops Manager and Property Manager for the developer, Mapuri Real Estate. I'm also a longtime resident and licensed realtor. For more information on these properties, please check the description below. It includes links to the official listings and pricing. I'm on site a few days a week, so if you'd like to see any of these properties, please give me a shout. I also host a YouTube channel that focuses on local area real estate, historic landmarks, and places to visit. Most are done jeeping around the Space Coast and other areas of Florida. It's lots of fun, so subscribe and like. Really helps. Thank you.